How to fix slow loading in Roblox. Roblox in itself doesn't have any video settings like any other game, so everything that you do needs to be done outside of it. So go to the start menu, search power plan, edit power plan, go to the change advanced power settings, and here scroll down to your processor power management, click maximum processor state, and set this to 100. Click apply. Next step is to go to the task manager, which is pressing Ctrl, Shift, and ESC at the same time, and delete any apps that you don't need. For example, Steam is open, and I don't need Steam right now, so I'm just gonna close it. The next thing is to ensure that you have updated graphics card drivers. So open up a new tab and type in NVIDIA update, and click on official GeForce drivers. From here you can download a program that would automatically update the drivers for you. If you know how to manually download your drivers, of course you can use this manual driver search as well. And the last thing that I recommend you to do, other than buying a brand new computer, is to have someone clean your computer for you, just to get rid of the dust that might be overheating your processor or GPU. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe. And as always, see you in the next video.